Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 6 of my tag a day in November. Today I used some Granny Apple Green ink and cardstock from Stamping Up. I used some Gina Marie Designs pearls. I used this cute stamp set from the Greeting Farm, Thanks a Sloth. And I used the Sunny Studio Build-A-Tag 1. And then I used the Happy Cake Day Hot Buy from Recollections paper for my tag. And there is my tag. How cute is that sloth holding that present? I added that second little tag there for the love and hugs. There's the back, just the cardstock. I did add some stickles. I think I used twinkle stickles. I really like that one on blues because it picks up that blue tone on it, kind of purpley. And there is my tag for day 6. Some ribbon. Again, I am really enjoying using up scraps and ribbon because I haven't used ribbon for a very long time. And I think this week I will try to put together a couple different videos, one showing exactly how I do put these together just because they are so sturdy with that extra cardstock, and then I will do a shaker tag to show you how I do that, but that'll be later in the week. I want to say thank you for all the kind comments on this series. I am having the best time, and I'm glad that so many of you are enjoying it as well. As always, everything is linked in the description box below. And I will be back here tomorrow, not only with a Tag a Day series video, but also it is Hop Day for Not Too Shabby. So I will be here to share some projects using the adorable stamp and die of the month from Not Too Shabby. So I will see you back here tomorrow. Have an amazing day. Go do something crafty. Maybe go make a tag. Be sure to tag me in it so that I can see what fabulous creations you are creating. See you soon.